When it comes to making a strong first impression, few home upgrades are as impactful as new windows. While landscaping and exterior paint certainly matter, windows play a central role in defining your home's character. Among the many styles available, bay windows stand out for their elegance and architectural presence. For homeowners in Eagle, bay windows are a popular way to elevate curb appeal while adding value and charm to the property. Creating architectural depth and dimension. Unlike flat windows that sit flush against the exterior wall, bay windows project outward. This extension adds depth and visual interest to the front or side of a home. In Eagle neighborhoods, homes with bay windows often appear more dynamic and thoughtfully designed. The three-panel configuration creates dimension that breaks up flat exterior lines, making the facade more engaging and refined. Highlighting exterior design features bay windows naturally draw the eye. Their angled side panels frame the central window, creating a focal point on the exterior. For Eagle homeowners, this feature enhances architectural details such as brickwork, siding, or decorative trim. Bay windows can emphasize symmetry and balance, contributing to a more cohesive exterior design. Increasing natural light for a welcoming glow curb appeal is not only about how a home looks during the day, it's also about how it feels. Bay windows allow light to enter from multiple angles. In Eagle homes, this added brightness creates a warm and inviting glow that is noticeable from the outside. Well-lit interiors contribute to an overall sense of openness and hospitality. Complementing a variety of home styles, bay windows are versatile enough to work with many architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. In Eagle, homeowners can choose bay window designs that align with their home's character. Whether paired with classic detailing or clean modern lines, bay windows enhance rather than overpower the existing aesthetic. Customizable finishes and frames. Modern bay windows offer a wide range of frame materials and finishes. Eagle homeowners can select colors and textures that coordinate with exterior trim and siding. Matching or contrasting finishes help create a unified look that strengthens curb appeal. Adding perceived interior space from the outside, bay windows signal added interior space. Their outward projection suggests a larger, more expansive interior layout. In Eagle neighborhoods, this subtle visual cue makes homes appear more spacious and thoughtfully upgraded. Potential buyers and visitors alike often view bay windows as a premium feature. Improving property value and market appeal. Homes with distinctive architectural elements tend to stand out in the real estate market. Bay windows are considered a desirable feature in Eagle properties. Their aesthetic appeal and added dimension enhance perceived value, even before stepping inside. Creating symmetry and balance. Strategic placement of bay windows can enhance symmetry across the front facade. For Eagle homeowners, balanced window placement contributes to a polished and harmonious exterior. This symmetry strengthens overall curb appeal and architectural consistency. Low-maintenance beauty. Modern bay windows are built with durable materials designed to withstand changing weather conditions. Eagle residents benefit from frames and finishes that maintain their appearance over time. This long-lasting beauty ensures curb appeal remains strong for years to come. A timeless upgrade for lasting impact. Curb appeal is about more than trends. It's about creating a home that stands out with elegance and confidence. For homeowners in Eagle, bay windows offer a timeless upgrade that enhances architectural character, increases natural light, and adds visual depth. By combining style and functionality, bay windows elevate the appearance of any property and make a lasting impression throughout the neighborhood.